10 facts about BMW M3. 1. The BMW M3 is a high-performance icon from the 3 Series, blending luxury with everyday usability. 2. It first appeared in the 1980s, becoming a legend in the world of sports cars. 3. It features a small displacement turbo engine, yet delivers impressive power. 4. It usually comes with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, balancing fun and stability. 5. Its aggressive, sporty design makes it stand out wherever it goes. 6. It is equipped with advanced driving technologies to enhance safety and control. 7. It is considered an icon of performance sales, thanks to its thrilling combination of power and handling. 8. It enjoys huge followings in racing due to its standout track performance. 9. Each new generation brings technological upgrades, such as digital displays and advanced driver aids. 10. Thanks to wide customization options, it allows drivers to tailor the experience to their taste, making it highly desirable among performance car enthusiasts. If you are interested in cars, follow Autoverse channel and tell me what you think about BMW M3. Goodbye.